Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video I'm going to show you how to unclog your kitchen sink drain without using chemical. First, you remove the cover and then undo the nut by using a washer. This is a stainless steel nut, so it's not rusty, but if yours is rusty, you're going to replace it, right? Undo it, remove the cap, and here you go! Turn, so dirty. You have all the gel and jelly formed there, probably caused by the oil that's being poured into the drain. So I removed the nut up there. I'm going to undo this overflow pipe, unscrew it, okay, and remember, don't lose this O-ring. I'm going to use this O-ring later, and then I'm going to undo this tubing up there, remove the screw. I just pull it out. I didn't apply any glue over the joint. This is the O-ring up there. You can place it aside, you can use it later, use it back later. And I'm going to remove this jelly. This is interior and this is how it looks like. And I'll put it inside the bucket and then wash it. And then also this T-joint as well. By first unscrew this nut. And then there's some water inside this U-trap, so get ready a bucket underneath it, right? Then undo that up there, put it downwards, and then remember to pour those water away into the bucket, and then you just pull it out from the wall. This is the reason why I didn't apply glue previously, so that is for easier maintenance. And then bring it to the toilet for washing. Here you go. The main purpose is actually to clean off all the jelly, okay, clogged up, mainly caused by the oil that we use during cooking. Use a brush to clean it if you need to. Then I will add some petroleum jelly over the joint. One thin layer will do. We'll just apply it, and then I push it back into the wall firmly, and then the thread as well. Petroleum jelly is actually it helps to prevent water from sieving through the gaps, okay? And I want to make sure this level is higher than the other one so that the drain water won't overflow into the U-trap. Use a piece of cloth to tighten the nut. Align it properly. Apply some petroleum jelly again. This is the cone. The surface needs to be clean, and then before I put the O-ring back into place. But just before that, I'm going to apply the petroleum jelly over the surface of the O-ring. It's actually meant to stick, to have a better adhesion between the cone and the sink, and then attach the overflow tubing back into place. Use a piece of cloth for better grip, and then remember about this cap. Cap it back into place, make sure you level it, make sure it's flat, and then put this cover back into position. Make sure it's flat, and then wipe clean the stainless steel mounting nut. Okay, make sure it's aligned straight, okay, not at an angle, or else it will break the plastic. Hand tighten it first, followed by the washer, the oversized washer. Tighten it clockwise to tighten, and then check if it's level. If it's not level, water will. And then let's test if there's any leakage. And oh my goodness, it's leaking. Oh, this. Okay. Where's my bucket? Put the bucket underneath it, and then probably I need to tighten it, push it in a little bit more, and tighten it further. And then wiggle it left and right. Make sure. Oh, again, it's leaking out over here. Probably need to tighten it a little bit more because previously I didn't really tighten it too much. I'm worried that I will break the plastic. So tighten it more, a little bit more clockwise. Wipe clean all the gap to check if there's any water or moisture. This is the amount of water I use. Close the tap, and then let's open up and test if there's any leakage. And here you go, no more leakage. And first time watching the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, press the bell button 2 times so that you get notified of new video, and appreciate a thumbs up. I've just cleared clean my sink drain. Thank you and bye bye.